Mr. Snuffleupagus! Oh, Mr. Snuffleupagus! Oh, hi, Grover. Hi, Grover. How you doing?
Not very good.
Well, you haven't seen the Snuffleupagus, have you? Hey,
Of
you
course
can have
not,
the
Big Bird. You know, everybody says that the Snuffleupagus is all your imagination.
Well, he's not, and I think you have the hiccups.
I do.
I know a way to make the hiccups go away.
Oh, you too?
Yeah, this is the way that always works. You know what it is?
Oh, what is it?
Surprise! I will surprise you.
You surprise
Now, I'm
me?
going to go put on a scary disguise, you know, like a costume.
But you frighten me.
Well, you know it's me, so you won't be frightened. But it will surprise you, okay?
Oh, all right, Big Bird.
All right.
I'll stay
I'll
here.
go put on a nifty disguise. Now, wait here and just hiccup until I come back.
I'll turn my back so you can disguise me, Big Bird. And surprise me. You disguise yourself and surprise me. Okay, I'll turn my back. But I know, no matter what disguise he has on, I know it's Big Bird and I won't be surprised.
Hey, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, hello, Bird.
Hey, I wanted you to meet some of my friends so they'll believe in you, but they're not around.
No, I don't see any.
Well, Grover's here. Would you say hello to him?
Well, I suppose since it's on my way, but you know it's time for my nap, Bird. I'll do it anyway.
I know you like naps, but he's right next to Mr. Duper's store at the table. So if you
Okay.
just say hi, I'd appreciate it.
I will.
Okay,
Bye-bye,
thanks.
Bird.
Bye. And have a nice nap. Oh, boy. Hey, that's really terrific. You know what? Somebody besides me is going to see the Snuffleupagus. Grover. Wow. But I better put on my disguise so I can surprise him.
No matter what he looks like, I know it will be Big Bird. He'll never
Hello
surprise me.
there. My name
Oh,
is...
I know who you are.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you'd be surprised to see me.
Oh, I am not surprised. And you cannot surprise me.
Why not?
Because I told you I was going to turn around so you could try and surprise me. But no matter what you look like, I know who you are. Even if I look at you now, see, you cannot surprise... You know what? I am surprised! Ah!
He appears to be taking his nap. Which reminds me, it's way past time for my nap. I'd better be shuffling off.
Where is he? He's gone. Hey, you know what else is gone? My hiccups are gone. Oh boy, my hiccups are gone.
What,
Hooray!
What, Grover? What?
Oh, listen, come here.
Your hiccups are gone?
Big Bird did it. Yeah.
Oh,
he
Big
came.
Bird's
He
good.
came here in a disguise and he surprised me out of my hiccups.
He did?
What kind of a disguise was it?
Yeah,
Oh well, see, it was a very strange disguise.
Here.
Very strange.
Hey, Grover, surprise!
Oh. Big Bird.
Did I surprise you?
Well, Big Bird, you do not have to put on a second disguise. The first disguise surprised my hiccups all the way.
Really? Pretty good
one.
Good gone, Big Bird. That's great.
You like my disguise? But this is my first disguise.
No, you know the great big brown disguise you were wearing before.
Oh, you mean... Oh, well, that wasn't me. That was the Snuffleupagus. I sent him over to say hello to you.
Come on, Big Bird. Don't start that again.
Start that.
Now, the Snuffleupagus is in your imagination, Big
That's
Bird.
right.
Yeah.
But that disguise was really wonderful. Really surprised me. That was pretty good, too. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
That's great, buddy.
Boy, isn't that great? Even when people see him, they don't believe in him.
Oh, Big Bird.